So, welcome back. In this session, we will talk about another continuation of the lab program, Python lab program. That is in this sixth program we will discuss. Sixth program again already we have seen stack, but here we need to evaluate the arithmetic expression. Arithmetic expression, it's a combination of operators and operands. Operators here, arithmetic expression means it's a operand and arithmetic operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division, all those symbols. By using those, if any such expression, you just evaluate. How do you evaluate the arithmetic expression? Here also the same operations you can use stack, because using stack they are saying same push pop, peak, size, empty, that we need to check. And but whenever we have based on some combination, we need to apply this evaluation. I think first directly I will go this, see the explanation. Input, always what is your input? Input should be your expression. So input, the expression is a string, always it is in the string format. In postfix notation, always your expression will be like this. And then the program, how the process works, the program reads. So even if you were entire like say assume 2 3 star 5 4 star plus 9 minus. So it will take one by one character. The program reads each character in the expression. Assume here the first character is what? 2. Now it will just check the second one. If the character is a digit, yes, 2 is my digit, it pushes into the stack. So now what happens? So I'll just try to explain through this example. 2 will be entered into the stack, pushed into the stack. So now in the stack the element 2 is present. Now again it's just again it will check if the character, again what is the next character? 3. Again on top of the 2 there will be a 3. So 2 is sitting and then 3 is sitting. Next, if the character is an operator, if it is an operator, what are those possible arithmetic expression? Are they same? Plus, minus, star, division symbol, all those things. So if it is any symbol other than digit, then what happens? It will be popped the top 2 elements from the stack. What are the top 2 elements? Here we have only 3 and 2 from the stack, and applies the operator. Which is the operator here? As per this example, there is a star and pushes the result. So 2 and 3 it will take and it applies the star operator. 3 into 2 it becomes 6. The result again it will be just pushed into the stack. So like that, and again it will go to the next element. What is the next element? Next character is 5. What is 5? It's a digit. So go and insert or push into the stack. Already 6 is there, multiplication 2 into 3 6. 6 is already in the stack, and again there will be a 5 on top of that. So next there will be a 4, again go and sit. 6 is there, 5 is there, on top of that 4. Now there is a star. Take out the last 2 elements. So we have 6, 5, 4. Now you need to take only the last 2 elements, that is 5, 4. Apply the star. 5 into 4, that is a 20. Again push into the stack. Now 6 will be there and 20 will be there. 6 is the first, and on top of that 20. Then again what is there? Plus. So that means 20 plus 6, 26. So you just take out the 2 elements, you apply the plus operator, it becomes 26. Again push it to the stack. Now the stack contains the element 26. Then what is that? 9. 9 is a digit. Go and push it to the stack. So first is 26, on top of that 9. There is again minus. So pop the last 2 elements. We have 9 and 26 minus. So it will be like 17. The final result again you push it to the stack. So like that till to reach the last, the program continues until it processes all the characters in that expression. Once it reaches to the last element, the final result is the only element that is available in the stack. So that is your result, actually that is the output. So see here, first if I say 23, if I take 23 into star, it will be these 2 are removed. 2 into 3 6, stack contains 6. And again 5 4, 5 into 4 20, stack contains 6 20. Now plus will be there, it will take both these 2 popped out along with this plus. 6 plus 20 becomes 26. Next stack contains 26, there will be a 9 minus. So 26 minus 9, 17, stock contains 17, that is the last element. Finally, the result of this expression, postfix expression, is 17. That is what your result. This is how it works. So, now just quickly we will try to understand the code. This is the explanation about the program. We will try to understand the coding, how exactly we have implemented this in the code. We have written one class, again the name of the class is stack, S is an uppercase. Now, so you just see again the same, the constructor def init, just we are initializing empty constructor, push item we are pushing, as already I mentioned, if item is a digit then it will go and push stock dot append of item. Pop, always it will try to pop whenever it finds the operator. So, the same code, probably what we have discussed, the same code, not self is first you need to check empty whether it is an empty. You just say the message like index should not, or stock is an empty, and if element is present you just pop that element. Here it is just checking if the length of the stock is 0, then it is an empty. And now this is an evaluation of expression method. See here I am creating the method, object stock is equal to stack, that is an uppercase. See here it is a lower case. This is just like difference to make it differentiate. Now I am just going and fetching one by one character in a given expression for char in expression. So that is your parameter. Now if char is digit, that is a inbuilt function. I am just checking character is digit, then push which one character. Now see here, even though it will be expression will be in the string, now I am converting. If it is a digit, convert that into integer and push it. If it is not a digit, else then stock dot pop and assign it to the operand 2. So again there will be a one more, right, a pop, that will be operand 1, because two elements, once if it finds the symbol or an arithmetic operator, then it has to pop two elements. That is the reason 2 times I am calling and assign it to the two different variables, operand 2 and operand 1. If character is equal to plus, then push again. If it is a plus operator, again you push both operand 2 plus operand 1. If it is minus, operand 1 minus operand 2. If it is star, operand 1 into operand 2. If it is a division, operand 1 by 2. Like that, whichever arithmetic operator is there, that you just apply the arithmetic operator along with those two operands. So you will get something, that result will be pushed into the stock. If that is about the evaluation of the expression, and it will be returning the pop, whatever the result we have at the end, that we are popping out. See the same, we are calling expression is this one, evaluated expression we are sending as a parameter to this method, and resulting is printing. This is about evaluation of the expression. So basically here only we need to consider here is two things. One, whether your expression, as already I mentioned, your expression is in a string format. Now even though it is an integer, you just collect one by one character. If it is a digit, you just push it, and while pushing you just convert that into an integer and push it to the stack. Just check the next character. Again if it is a digit, again push it to the stack. Third, fourth, like that, whenever it finds the symbol is nothing but our arithmetic operator. Then you start popping last two elements, whichever the two elements at the top you take out from the stack and apply with this operator, and again the result, again you push it to the stack, then proceed the same process till you get the final result, and once you get the final result, that will be into the stock. This is about the evaluation of the expression using the stock. Thank you.